It is the syllabus of psychology paper 1. In the last, I want to say success is not about. Hello everyone, my name is Samina. I am good and I hope you are also doing well. Today I will discuss about the syllabus of psychology optional of UPSC CSE. Before, it is important to understand what is psychology. Psychology is the study of mind and behavior, aiming to understand and explain how individuals think, feel and act. Here are the syllabus. Let's have a look. Foundation of psychology. Number 1, introduction. Number 2, method of psychology. Number 3, research method. Number 4, development of human behavior. Number 5, sensation, attention and perception. Number 6, learning. Number 7, memory. Number 8, thinking and problem solving. Number 9, motivation and emotion. Number 10, intelligence and aptitude. Number 11, personality. Number 12, attitude, value and interest. Number 13, language and communication. Number 14, issue and perspective. Number 15, contemporary psychology. Okay guys, it is the syllabus of psychology paper 1. In the last, I want to say success is not about how much money you make. Success is about the differences you make in people's life. Make a difference by becoming an IAS officer. Okay, thank you so much. All the best. Happy learning.